Now when it comes to flooring options, particularly timber, there's lots of options to choose from. So what I've gone for the granny flat is a hybrid floor. So this is an image of timber onto a product. So it's been designed to be really robust. It's got a beautiful texture that you can see underneath natural light. This is also a floating floor, so it clicks into place and then it's set all the way around the room, but it's a couple of mils off the walls. That allows the floating floor to sort of move slightly with any moisture or changes in temperature. The skirting will then go on top of that, and the kick plate for the kitchen will go back on top as well. So this is floating in underneath. That means we don't need the scotia or any little joining pieces where it meets a vertical surface. Locations around the home where the floating floor actually meets a hard surface like a tile, where it's hitting the laundry, the bathrooms, or in this case, the front door threshold, there's a C channel which is colour matched. So it slides into that, allowing the floating floor to slightly move where it needs to, but to give a really nice, clean, refined edge. And it's also super hard wearing, again, being such an important high traffic area. Our hybrid flooring will be easy to keep clean, and it's so nice underfoot. It's going to be installed in all of the rooms of our granny flat. Because this is a floating floor, it clicks together, but it needs to be slightly spaced off the walls. The skirting goes on top of that so you don't see any gap. And this is going to be painted crisp white to add to that contemporary yet coastal inspired look. So what did I tell you? It's durable, practical, and also very good looking.